Assalamu alaikum, this is Jumaima and today I will be telling you all about sheep. Yesterday we went to see sheep. They were so cute. One of the lady came up to me and told me to hold a baby sheep. So I did as she told me. The baby ewe was up to 7 pounds. Ewe means a female sheep. The newborn sheep can start walking by its own with no help.
This one is how much?
2 weeks.
3 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And those ones are about 4.
4 weeks.
You want to hold this one too?
Emma, this one is light.
You can take your arms out.
Don't drop it. Hold it properly. Hold it properly. Hold it properly.
After holding the baby sheep, I went to feed the adult sheep and they were more than 270 pounds. When I started feeding one of the sheep, after a while a flock of sheep came running towards me and ate all of my beans that I bought. Sheep can also remember your face. There are many types of sheep, for example, Dorset sheep, radio sheep, Tunis sheep, and Bunner sheep, and many more. The babies of Tunis sheep weighed 7 to 20 pounds. The sheep were the first animal to be found by us humans. Sheep are more intelligent than humans. My dad told me to wash my hands, and when I was doing that, the sheep were following me wherever I was going. Sheep eat peanut, hay, grass, beans, and etc. Sheep does not have teeth on their upper jaws. They only have teeth on their lower jaws. Their teeth are really strong that help them to bite their food easily.
अहमद इनको खिलाओ अहमद इनको हाँ एक मिनट
I hope you liked this video, and if you want more videos from me and more stories, so don't forget to subscribe. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.